Good afternoon. It's May 5th, 2023, and today we had an uptrend day. You can see this channel. We get a break and a couple legs up to a new high before we started to reverse. So, not a whole lot of trades in here. So, let's take a look at it. We actually we're chopping around in the overnight. We make a leg up, get a break, move to a new high from this news item, and we sell off and confirm this trend channel right here. So when you get this first entry, failed second entry short, I think you can take that. And I was looking to ride it to the highs of the channel, but unfortunately, stops you out right at break even. Yeah. Uh, Stops you out before going up there, and then you get a first entry, second entry. I mean, I was looking at it on this bar. What is that? 5 ticks, but it was below the EMA. But then when you get this bar, I think there's reason to like that. Only problem is we didn't hit the highs of the channel. We didn't hit the lows, so it's that gets a little. I don't. For me, I get a little concerned when that happens. But then you can see we're riding the midline. I actually, I actually, I liked. I think I like this one in real time because it's a second entry long, and you can see we're riding the midline. So you might consider that one, and you can see a lot of people did like that. Then we come up here and you get like a two-legged pullback. Um, but I don't think maybe I should mark this one second entry, but I wanted to hold off. And when it gives you that double test, to me that looks like a double test right there. I mean, yeah, if you mark it, if you move it down, that is a double test. I like that one. So eventually that takes off, goes higher, and we come up here, and then we just go a little sideways, and you get your first break below the EMA, and you get a first entry, failed second entry. That's also a first entry, second entry short, or I mean second entry long. So I think you got to take that one. Nice signal bar, and then we just start going sideways, and uh, we form this range, this pink range, but also we get our first break of the trend channel. Uh, and you do get a reversal set up here, but I just thought we already have a new high in place, so I wasn't too crazy about that. Maybe you take this one because that kind of looks like the reversal too, but you're going right into that trend line, and you can see that held prices. And so now we're just going sideways. We come down here, bounce. Then you get another bounce right here. And I think it kind of looks like a double test right there. You can see that price level. Test once, test twice. So, and it looks like a second entry long, even though you get a first entry right there. So you might consider that one. Come up here, and really we're just ranging. Um, then you get the first real breakout, and I mean, yeah, maybe if you're being aggressive, you take that, but not a great idea to take it unless it's a higher low. The breakout fails, come back up here, just go sideways before forming the spike in channel. Bounce, come up here, you get a break after this first entry, and then you get a second entry long off the EMA. The EMA has been good all day, so I say you take that one, and you can see a lot of people like that. And that kind of forms another spike in channel. Perhaps it's just a regular channel though, like that. So that could be something. Uh, and then we reverse towards the end of the day. So uh, form this trend channel. Uh, I wouldn't say this is confirmation right here. I would say this right here. You got a second entry short. That's confirmation. Um, I think with the context of the day, I didn't. I think it's okay to go short here. I mean, is it are you going to feel great about going short? Depends on how you've been viewing the day. I mean, this clearly to me looks like a break of the channel, sideways stuff, couple legs to a new high. So um, uh, the feel of the day just for some reason didn't feel like we couldn't short this right here. Double top first entry, failed second entry. This is also a reversal. So maybe you take that, but you're going in the midline there, so I'm not crazy about that one. So yeah, I like that one, and that's what I saw. So um, let's take one last look at it. I hope everyone has a great weekend. I'll be back on Monday.